Hi, I'm Crystal, and this is how to use all 5 items in my October IPSY Glam bag. Let's go. First, I want to show you this really cute bag. It says Your Magic on one side, and it has this really cute design on the other side. Also has this zipper of a moon and a star. I've subscribed to IPSY for about 4 years now. I've always purchased this original glam bag. This costs about $11 plus tax. It's no more than $13, and you get 5 items each and every month. Let's get into the items that I received for this month. First, I have the Tarte Marcuja Tinted Hydrator in medium neutral. This tinted hydrator is lightweight and easy to blend. It's a buildable formula that melts seamlessly into skin for no fuss application. After using this, I feel like this is my skin, but it looks better. My next item is this SLMissGlam P40 round blusher brush. This brush has synthetic bristles that are super soft to touch and blend cream, powder, wet or dry pigments with ease. It has this green glitter and it's just so fun and sparkly. This brush is great because it gives precision. For my third item, I have this Illamasqua powder eyeshadow in the color Invoke. It's a chrome silver. I'm just gonna apply this with my finger. Wow, that's pretty intense. This eyeshadow is actually pretty shimmery. For my fourth item, I have this It Cosmetics Lash Blowout Salon Volume Lift Mascara in black. This mascara gives your lashes insane curl and volume. For my fifth item, I have the coffee scrub in rose. It smells like coffee. I love the smell of coffee. I'll just test it out right here on my arm. I'm gonna wet my arm. It is like literally coffee grains. This is an energizing body scrub that buffs and moisturizes with grapeseed oil, almond oil, vitamin E, and coffee extract to wake up your skin. I love this texture because it feels like it's exfoliating my skin. Now my skin smells like coffee and it feels very smooth. There it is, all 5 items from my October IPSY Glam bag. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below and give this video a like if you guys enjoyed this video. And be sure to follow me for more videos like this. See you guys next time.